Still shiny, but... Oh, Jesus. In memento, I fixed the situation to do the unboxing part. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior aka Julie here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I'm 53 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, unboxing videos, and beauty hauls. If you have stopped by because you are curious what is in the 2020 Makeup Revolution Advent Calendar, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so if you have seen some of my other Advent Calendar unboxing videos, you know a lot of them have been heavy with skincare. Although the NYX had some makeup, but they were very tiny samples. So I'm super excited to do the Makeup Revolution Advent Calendar. Now, don't look, they put spoilers right on the outside. That's no fun. I am going to set this in front of me and unbox it one at a time. I don't think you want to watch me struggle to hold it up. Alright, so let's dig in and see what this box has to offer. And you may be saying, well, Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, they have a picture on the outside and on the website when you bought it. I like being surprised, so I really don't pay attention. I just click. And sometimes I'm a little disappointed, but so I am excited. Let's get going and dig in and see what 2020 has to offer. Okay, for starters, this bad boy costs $70. And I feel like we get a good deal because it also costs 70 pounds, but 70 pounds equals more than $70. So, oh, I'll take it. I will admit, it does feel lighter than I was anticipating and looks a lot smaller. It's very shiny, so let me get rid of the plastic bit and hold it up more properly. Is that a word? Whoa, don't fall out stuff. Ooh, let me rearrange. Okay. Still shiny, but... Oh, Jesus. In memento, I fixed the situation to do the unboxing part. Okay, I'm not exactly sure where everything went, but I held it up for a hot second there. Let's dig in and see what day one has to offer. Alright. Ooh, okay. Day one, we got a full-size liquid lipstick. Believe. Let's do a swatch. Or are you a lip gloss? I think you might be a lip gloss. No scent. This is a lip gloss in the shade Adore. Great start. All right. Day two. What is this? Day two. We have a very small writing. Nothing old lady eyewear can't fix. A brow gel. Alright, I'm not going to swatch it, but we will take a look. Don't know what color, if it's clear. I don't do my eyebrows because I naturally have perfect eyebrows. I just don't do my eyebrows. But I can put this in a future giveaway. Alright, on to day number 3. Ooh. Looks like we got another lip gloss. And this is very shiny. This is not a lip gloss. This is an eyeshadow in the shade pink. Huh, I am very curious. No, that can't be. It feels like a lip gloss. if you could put it on your lips as well. Speechless. I've had liquid eyeshadows, but they usually don't feel like lip gloss. Or are they the color of lip gloss? But okay. We have an eyeshadow. All right, on to day number 4. Another little black with stars. Please be good. This box is already better than the NYX. And it's not that much more. If I could do math, it's only $15 more, and we've already received 2 out of 3 are full-size products. So, ooh, this looks like a full-size lipstick. In a shade right up my alley. Let's do a little swatch. Yes, the standard, what I refer to as a nude dusty rose. Yes. Good job, Makeup Revolution. All right, on to day number 5. Super excited. This advent calendar is light years beyond any of the others I've already unboxed. Okay, this, I'm going to presume, is an eyeliner, but we shall see. Yes, it is an eyeliner, and it is in black. Right there. It's standard wooden pencil. Need to sharpen it, but it's all good. All right, on to day number 6. Ooh, we got, wait, is this 6 or 9? I don't know. The box fell over. I'm going with this one as 6. It may be 9. All right, day number 6, we got a blush. Yes. All right, on to day number 7. All right, we have another lipstick. And this is in a very similar shade to what we had before, although it's slightly darker. Or pinker. It's right there compared to there. I am horrible doing swatches. Okay. On to day number 8. We got the world's smallest eyeshadow palette. There are 7 pans in this palette here. Wow. They are quite narrow, but lovely. All right, this is very cool toned with purples and grays. All right, now we are on to either number 6 or 9. We're going to pray this is good, although it's very light, because number 9 is my birthday. Please be good. The other one was 9. We got a hair scrunchie. My hair's not quite long enough yet. Thank you, COVID, but it's getting there. It's getting super long. Alrighty. On to day number 10. I feel this is going to be full size. Be full size. Ooh. This, I'm going to assume, is a lip gloss of some sort. Wouldn't it be funny if it was another weird eyeshadow? Let's see here. Yep, it's a lip gloss with that kind of applicator. All right. On to day number 11. We got another eye pencil, which is really hard to open. This looks to be like a taupey brown. Wait, is this for your brows? Yes, it's a brow pencil. All right. Gonna give this to my mom. All right, on to day number 12. Super excited. I love getting gifts. And even though I paid for it myself, it feels like Christmas unboxing. What is this? Is this a liquid highlighter? Ooh, it's an eye primer. Okay, we got a doe foot. And I don't know if it will pick up right there. That looks lovely. I am on the hunt for a good eye primer. All right, day number 13. What is this? This is a brow, oh, it's a brow crayon, but that was not the color I was expecting. Oh, is this like meant for under? Oh, interesting. All right. Comment down below, would you use something like this? A white crayon for, huh. All right. Make a revolution, keeping me on my feet here. On to day number 14. Okay, we got a little square box. We have a highlighter. All right, let's take a little swatch. It's kind of a champagne-y golden color. I'm so fair, it's right there. All right. Yes. What day are we on? 15. Day 15. Luckily, this calendar, just top to bottom, one, two, it makes it dummy proof. So, ooh, the Kiehl's one was all over the place. It took me forever to find the boxes. All right. This, based off of something else, I think is going to be a liquid eyeshadow and not a lip gloss. Yes, it is. All right, let's swatch this one. Shiny. Put it right next to the other one. It's right there. All right, on to day number 16. We have a lip gloss or liquid lipstick. It is a lip gloss. All right. Right there. Day number 17, we got a tiny brush for, I guess you could do your brows, get underneath your eyelashes, on top of your eyelashes. All right, a little brush. All right, on to day number 18. We have a clear lip gloss. All right, day 19. We have a little square box. And we have a baking powder. All right, we're coming towards the home stretch. Day number 20. Oh, we got another little brush. A little tiny travel eyeshadow brush. All right. Day 21. I think this is going to be a lip liner. Why won't the lid come off? I literally can't get this lid off. I don't know if it's the suction or if it's glued or what. But we're just going to go off of that, and it's a lip liner. All right, on to day number 22. Ooh, we got another brush. Feels synthetic. It's soft. Could put blush on, contour. All right, on to day number 23. Boxes are getting bigger. It's a bigger box. Ooh. I don't want to blind you, but we got a mirror. All right. This box is special compared to the other boxes where there's actually 25. So let's go Christmas Eve, box number 24. Okay, we got another brush. This one I guess could be good for a highlight. All right, the last box, day 25, is the largest box. Advent calendar companies. It is my expectation that on the last day, whether it's the 24th or the 25th, that should be the best item. It should be full size. So, I'm hoping this is a palette of some sort and is full size. All right, let's see what we got. Yay! It's a full-size eyeshadow palette. Let's take a look at the colors here. All right, so we've got some purples, blues, grays. So we got some warm tone neutrals and some cooler tones. All right, give me your thoughts down below. First off, did you play the drinking game called All Right? I tend to see that a lot in my videos. So apologies, or did you win the game? So give me your thoughts. I think this advent calendar is worth the $70. We got a lot of makeup, all makeup. We got a lot of full-size items. Let's recap what the Makeup Revolution 2020 Advent Calendar had to offer. All right, so we got 4 little mini travel brushes. We got a full-size eyeshadow palette. We got a mirror. We got a blush, a banana powder, and a highlighter. We got 2 squeezy tube types of lip gloss. We got 2 shimmer liquid eyeshadows. We got 2 full-size liquid lip gloss. We got a full-size eyeshadow primer. We got 2 full-size bullet lipsticks. We got 3 brow products. I presume these are all travel or sample size. One is a gel, one is a pencil, and one is like a white crayon for under your eyebrows. We got a mini 7-pan eyeshadow palette, a lip liner where the lid won't come off, and a black eyeliner. That's a pretty good advent calendar. All right, comment down below and let me know what you think about Makeup Revolution makeup products. Would you consider purchasing this advent calendar? I think it's worth the $70. I'm going to list on the screen the exact retail value for the items we received. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. If you enjoyed the content, please click the thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Thanks, everyone.